my name is Cindy. I'm a marriage and family therapist. Today, I would like to share with you a very simple technique to manage anxiety. It's called emotional freedom technique. EFT involved in tapping into the meridian points. Meridian points are the energy pathways that go through our body, and in Chinese medicine, they have been using it for over thousands of years. So it's kind of similar to acupuncture, but also more gentle. We don't use needle. We only use the fingers to tap into those points. Alright, let's get started. Before we start the tapping, we need to find out three things. The first one is identify a thing that has been bothering you lately. It can be anything. Maybe you had a fight with your partner, or you're gonna have a meeting with your boss. Once you pick the issue, the next step is to identify the emotions. Are you feeling overwhelmed about the meeting, or are you feeling anxious about the relationship? Try to identify the emotion that you associate with that event. And the next part is to figure out how much does it bothering you on a scale from 0 to 10. 0 is doesn't bother you at all, you can barely feel it, and 10 is off the chart. You couldn't eat, you couldn't sleep because of that event. Alright, once you identify the event, the emotion, as well as the intensity, let's get started. The first one is on the side of our hand. So we do a chopping instead of tapping. Okay, I'm okay even though I'm feeling anxious about the upcoming meeting with my boss. Feeling anxious about the meeting. 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 Feeling anxious about the meeting, and feeling anxious about the meeting. Take a deep breath after the tapping and feel the level. Usually we do it 3 times in a row to get the best result, so you can repeat the process. And while you are doing it, try to keep your eyes open instead of close them up. And the other thing is EFT is designed for reducing anxiety and releasing very intense emotions, but it's not for depression. If you are feeling depressed, try not to use this method. I will teach you something else in the future videos. Alright, hopefully you give it a try when you have a chance, and thank you for watching, and see ya.